of the game. 18 plus. T's and C's apply. Bet the responsible way.
Hello. So this will be on after Taskmaster, I guess, at 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. No, it's on 2 weeks today.
Oh, 2 weeks today?
Not even tonight.
Okay.
So I want me to read this out. It's for 2 weeks.
Yes.
And nobody listening will remember to watch this show in 2 weeks' time. I may as well plug Taskmaster, which is on tonight. No one's going to remember to watch this.
What date is it on? I'll stick it in my diary.
It's on its way.
Wednesday, the 17th of October, 2 weeks today at 10 o'clock at night. It's James Buckley. Who's James Buckley?
Jimmy Buckley. He's a
He was left back for Norwich for like one of Dominic's phobias, the way he'd go, oh my god, I would hate that. So I've come up with Dominic has to buy
Up. More of the freshest rock and guitar-based music songs from your
Theory, which comes out in November. We had Something Human, Sometimes, on the Dark Side, been single so far. Anyway, that is the new one, Pressure from Muse. Like that a lot. A lot.
It's really good. It's instantly good.
So here's what happens. I'm doing the show. Pippa and I weirdly had a chat about this the other day. Guests who have been 45 minutes late, 5 minutes late, 5 minutes early. I've never had a guest who's been 2 weeks early to a show that even I'm not going to be at.
Although when Bruno Brooks was your manager, didn't you turn up to a meeting a week early?
Whatever.
I think that happened, didn't it?
Yeah, it was only a meeting at the beach. Not come in to see yours. Now he's got to dash because he's abseiling down a boat. Either that or he really hates me. Do you want to come and speak to Chris Miles? Chris Miles? I've got to abseil down a building?
In Bangladesh?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
So I thought you didn't know anything about it.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I just know a couple of
You've always had a couple of
things.
facts
He was
in
primarily a right arm off spinner, wasn't
right
he?
arm off spinner. Yes, he was. That's right.
Yeah, he made his debut for Northamptonshire in... That's fine. So when Toby's filling in,
Yes.
and I'm not here,
Yeah.
one day,
Absolutely.
one day some things go to.
Yeah.
Toby, it's reception. Yep. Yeah, I've got box space downstairs. Come and send into the green room.
Oh man, it's a good tune.
Good tune, please.
Would you like to get your hands on a guitar song by Noel Gallagher?
Hell.
Wally?
And the weirdest of moments and stupidest of ways. But hey, I'm still young, it's gonna be okay. Let's dance on the beat. We have to talk again whenever up to you. But since you play
It's great. Yeah. But then I listen to live albums, bands recorded live.
It's amazing, actually. It's great.
Yeah. But then I listen to live.
Okay. Okay. My car's making the noise again, by the way.
You jinxed it.
Yeah, I did.
You must have
Yeah.
I get to Friday afternoon and I'm just like, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah. And then what happens every Saturday morning? I'm awake at like 6:45.
Because then at least you know your day can't get any.
For non-stop music. He's even ready for the perfect selfie. And he's definitely ready for incredible. Because when Rob buys the new iPhone XS or XS Max, he gets 10 gig extra data with Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Offer ends 19th of December 2018. Available on plans 16 gig and above. Terms and exclusions.
Very nice.
UK/iPhone.
For every problem that I face to this day. Teaching. Every lesson shapes a life, so get into teaching.
It's Happy Halloween.